Hey guys, back with another unboxing video today. This is actually a relatively brand new AIO by Cooler Master. It's the Master Liquid ML240L RGB. So it has an RGB lighting light here and the two fans included. It was first introduced at CES 2017, but it was only really released quite recently, and it's been available on Amazon and eBay quite recently. So relatively a recent product for mainstream consumers. So this is going to be the unboxing video. Having a look around the box, you can see, just got pictures. Yeah, so it does have Aura Sync with ASRock and various other manufacturers, so it supports all the RGB lightings. And it also includes a 1-to-3 RGB splitter, and it includes a wired RGB controller. And yes, it has support for the latest AM4 and LGA 1151 brackets included in the box. Opening up the box, so I've got the 240mm. Opening it up, see there. So you get the radiator. You can see, I haven't opened this up yet. It's got the radiator there. That's where the pump goes. Yeah. There you go. So that should light up RGB as well. It's a back plate. Yeah. 240 rad. It's also available in 120 rad as well, so you can get a single one, a single fan one. So that's included there. Included cables. So it's got all the oh, it actually comes with a thermal paste as well, so that's really good. And yes, it comes with all the attachments and brackets, cables. That's the so it comes with a Molex adapter as well. Brackets again, more brackets. That's the RGB male to female converter. It's also included. 4 of them is included there. That's the, I believe that's the RGB. Let me just autofocus. Yeah, that's the RGB cable. This is the fan splitter right there. So that will connect to the your motherboard fans. And 2 included fans. There you go. So these also should light up RGB. Get in focus. So they actually have 3 different types. They've got the air balance, which is these two, and they've got I think it's air static and air flow. So they've got 3 different types of fan. They are also you can change them around. Some are good for static pressure, some are good for having big airflow. This is the middle one, this is the balanced one. So as you can see, the fan comes with 2 cables. One's for RGB. Yep, let's get it focus. That one's for RGB, and then one is for the fan. But obviously, you can use the fan header, fan splitter that's included. So that's it. So this was a quick unboxing video, just to have a look at the new ML240 radiator and AIO pump by Cooler Master. There you go. I'll be installing this along with my GTX 1060. You can see that video. I've uploaded it quite recently. And this whole thing is going to be going into my main rig. So there'll be an update video on that as well. So thanks for watching.